What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. So me and Brenda just showed up to our first job of the day. We got two, originally we showed up and it's carpet cleaning and may need enzyme, so definitely needs enzyme. Let me go ahead and put my mask on. 1 second. All right, sorry about that, guys. So got my water hose hooked up. As far as if you're doing a truck mount, and you're wondering whether you should get a freshwater tank. Hey, I never used a freshwater tank. I've only been asked once since I've been doing business. Really, it's gonna, especially if you're in California, price of water is expensive. It's gonna save you a lot of money if you don't put a fresh water. It's gonna save up a lot of room in here. But if you're worried about like soft water and stuff like that, well, I got a soft water filter right here. So this thing is a portable. They use in RVs and stuff, but this thing is an awesome little deal here. I love it. Make sure it's Pro Aqua. I'm trying to show you the label there. But yeah, you just put this in your van. You got soft water, although you're hooking up to the customer's water. So people are not. I've only been, like I said, only been asked once, and sometimes yeah, it's convenient to have water on your van, but like for if you go to a place where water's not on, then you could do low moisture, you know, if you have to. So all right, let's check out the carpet. So yeah, lots of pitch stains. And all throughout here, the whole room. I need to put some enzyme down on. So yeah, Brenda's vacuuming. Getting that all ready for me. I'm setting everything up. I'm gonna go ahead and get my enzyme ready. So after she's done vacuuming, I'm gonna follow with the enzyme treatment. Let that dwell for 15. Then I'll follow it up with my pre-spray. Today I'll be using Undoes It. That's my enzyme. And then if there's any, this stuff does have smell. It's supposed to kill smell also, but it leaves I guess the enzyme smell. It's kind of strong. I don't like it. So what I do is I follow up with the liquid alive back there. And if it's too strong after I've rinsed, you know, I'll go around and put some enzyme in there. I'll check it out in the room, and then if so, then I'll add this also after that 15 minutes. Then I'll put down my pre-spray. This stuff's cheap enough to where you don't have to worry about using it. And this stuff right here is about $30 by the time it gets to your house through Amazon. You'll find it the link below my videos. I'll link all the stuff I use. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the pump up and get the treating with the enzyme. All right. After this, we have another job, and maybe we'll do a 2-job ride along. All right, stay tuned. All right, so that's a liquid alive right there. It's more for the odor, just kind of to help with the odor part of it. Just got more of a pleasant smell to it, more subtle compared to the Undoes It. So I like to follow up with that. So we're gonna go ahead and put a pre-spray down now, and then I'll keep this out in case I run into some more stuff. But that's pretty much it for the enzyme part of it, right? So it's been sitting for about 15 minutes since I sprayed it down. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray, and then we'll have Brenda come in here with the multi-wash. And I just found out some interesting stuff. So, you know, when I was trying to get a CRB back before I had this, I also wanted to do hardwood floors, so I was looking into 2 different machines, a Dirt Dragon and CRB. But you know, price tag's way up there. It's been about close to $5,000 for both. Found the multi-wash. Multi-wash is cheaper than about half the price of a good CRB. Does the same thing. Got the counter-rotating brushes. But I've always been told that, you know, these things are heavier, you know, and CRBs are better. You know, they're heavier, more portable. They're just better overall. Well, I did a little bit of investigating, and actually the CRBs are heavier than this. If you get a 15-inch CRB, it's 55 pounds. Multi-wash, 53 pounds. Wow, blew me away. I was like, whoa. So I said, well, the brush rotation must be a lot quicker on the CRBs. Actually, no, the CRB brush rotation is 380 RPMs, right? And this is 600. So I'm like, okay, hold on. I'm confused. Actually, I'm not confused anymore. This is the best buy overall. Brushes rotate quicker. That means you can move along the carpet quicker. And it's not so heavy. Plus, you can clean with it. So, correct me if I'm wrong, CRB guys, but do a little investigating yourself and let me know if I'm wrong here. But I don't think so. Got to clean that thing up a little bit. little dirty. So Brenda's following me with the multi-wash here. We're gonna have to move that bit back and forth. Once we clean here, we'll put a little bit over. So the multi-wash CRB type or camel rotating brushes, they'll pull up, but the vacuum can't. So I was curious on this part. Alright, so I think it's going to extract really well. You can tell a lot of it disappeared already, or lightened up a lot. Looking good. So when you use this as a CRB, you take out the waste tank, recovery tank that goes in the back there. That way you don't pick up the solution while you're scrubbing. Because you want to leave the solution down there as long as possible so it has that maximum dwell time. Only time you have the recovery tank in the back of that thing is when you're cleaning like hard surfaces, or if you're actually doing some carpet cleaning as a whole process with the multi-wash, because you can do that. A lot of people do that on commercial carpet. Some do it on residential. I don't recommend it too much on residential, but hey, it's a multi-wash, so multi-surfaces. All right, guys, so this was a tough job. Had to go over this area so many times because there's a lot of residue left in the carpet. That's why they kept on getting these pop-ups. They said they looked great, and then when they left, it would pop up again. So we went over the stretch as much as possible. Made sure we didn't use any high pH stuff. And, well, it came out a whole heck of a lot better. So, all right, we're gonna call this one a wrap here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go over that little area right there one more time because I'm a perfectionist, and then I'll call the customer. So stay tuned. Actually, we're gonna call this one a wrap. We may do another video, but it'll be on a separate video. All right, go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment, folks. See you next one.